Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can clear up storage in CapCut. So here you can open your CapCut apps in your system on your PC. So here, in order to fix this issue, maybe you don't have like any storage because of you're not upgrade into pro account, you use a free account. So in order to clear some space, you can try to delete your project. So you can delete the history, or you can empty your trash. So here you can click trash, and here we go, recently moved. So you can click this trash and delete 2 items. So it's clear. Now you have to open the CapCut from the official website. Here we go, you can open capcut.com and sign in with your account. So here there is a space here, like default space. So you can click, and here we go, this is your project. So in order to free up, you can try to click the space, and you can click the draft. For example, you can delete unused draft to move into your trash. So you can click to move to trash, then here you can empty your trash. So item move to trash will appear here and be deleted after 30 days. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click this button below. See you in the next video.